कीजिए दंडवत कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। कीट न जाने भूमि को गुरु कर ले आप समान। The concept of Guru is one of the pillar which preserved and protected the very essence of human existence. The Sanskrit root of the word Guru. The Gu means the darkness or ignorance. Ru means denotes the remove or despair. It is said that a spiritual aspirant can never attain a valuable knowledge by his own endeavor without approaching a Guru. He gives us a true knowledge and brings us out of the darkness. There is a special bond between Guru and Shishya in our Indian culture, and that symbolizes the unconditional divine love and wisdom. It is the loftiest, the most sacred of all relationships. This relationship is a unique, close and life-transforming relation throughout the whole life. एक शब्द गुरुदेव का ताका अनंत विचार, थाके मुनिजन पंडिता वेद न पावे पार. Nowadays, I think the concept of Guru Shishya turns into teacher-student relationship. We adore our teacher as Guru. He gives us knowledge which is not only connect with spirituality but also connect with the morality of our life or principle to live good or honest life. So instead of talking too much about Guru and Shishya, I just want to throw some light on our teacher-student relationship rather than Guru Shishya. We all know that the T.S. Eliot mentioned what is poet rather than who is poet. The same way, I just want to share what is teacher rather than who is teacher. A teacher is someone who teaches you final aspect of life. Someone who encourages you to share your gifts and talents wisely. Inspire you to value the truth above approval and friendship, power, wealth and fame. A teacher is someone who helps you find happiness in simple pleasure, to see the rainbow and not falling in rain. A teacher is someone who encourages you to live each day to your potential and find good in everything to see you and grooms you into a person only you were need. The teacher teaches us where to look, but don't tell what to see, and that's why teacher become our role model for us. Teacher always worry about their students and do work for them anytime. And I think it is the toughest task in the world to become, because throughout the whole life, teacher is always best for their students. I just want to recite poem, The Teacher Role Model, which is dedicated to Dilip sir, Hina ma'am and Par sir. Teachers don't care for praise or blame. They try their best without crying for gain. Teachers take it as a challenge to serve their friends. Teachers want them all to be wonderful champs. Teachers prepare their notes with lots of pain. To give something new is always their aim. Teachers love their students and never use a cane. No cheap talk for personal fame. Teachers use their time to enlighten them. Teacher put a moral values in a tender brains. Teacher don't know why students respect them well. They feel proud seeing them healthy and healthy. Without a role model, teaching is vain. Only what I pray, practice, that all tells us. Teacher is proud to be called a torch bearer, a nation builder. On their sincere efforts, depends India's future. Teacher is grateful to God for making them teacher. A teacher is compared to Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. Teacher is always compared to Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. On this great occasion of Guru Purnima, I express my gratitude towards the great and respected sir and ma'am who makes department alive and teach us so many things. Really, I am very happy and proud. I think we all are happy and very proud to be said that we are all students of Bharat Sir, the Department of English. Thank you and have a nice day.